International purchase and delivery discussion.
Hi, do you ship internationally?
Yes, we ship worldwide. May I ask which country you'd like the order delivered to?
I'd like to place an order to Germany.
Germany is no problem at all. What item are you interested in?
I really like this Statue of Liberty model. It looks very detailed.
Excellent choice. It's one of our most popular items. The price is $20, and international shipping to Germany is $25.
$25 for shipping feels a little expensive. How long does delivery usually take?
Delivery typically takes around 2 weeks. We use a trusted courier service to make sure your package arrives safely.
2 weeks sounds reasonable. Do you provide tracking information?
Absolutely. As soon as your order is shipped, we'll send you an email with the tracking details.
Perfect. Do you need my address now?
Yes, please. Could you write your address here on this form? Also, include your email so we can send you the receipt and tracking information.
Great, I'll fill out the form. By the way, do you offer gift wrapping?
Yes, we do. For an additional $5, we can wrap the model in decorative paper.
That's nice. I might add that. And what payment methods do you accept?
We accept credit cards, PayPal, and international bank transfers.
Perfect, I'll pay with PayPal then.
Wonderful. Once the payment is confirmed, we'll process your order right away.
One bag or many? A friendly debate.
Hey guys, how's everything going today?
Pretty good. I actually bought a new bag this afternoon. It's adorable, I'm really excited about it.
Nice. I'm still sticking with my old backpack. Honestly, I don't get why people need so many different bags.
Oh, for me bags are like accessories. I love switching them depending on the occasion. One bag might be practical, but another can totally change the vibe of an outfit. Plus, collecting them is fun.
I see what you mean. But I think I'm more like Jacob, I just keep one bag. It saves me the trouble of deciding which one to use.
Exactly. I've got one reliable bag, and that's enough. If I ever need something different, I'll just borrow yours, Calvin.
Haha, fair enough. Don't worry, I've got plenty to share.
That's generous of you. But seriously, doesn't it get overwhelming to choose from so many?
Not at all. It's part of the fun. Picking the right bag feels like finishing off an outfit with the perfect detail.
I guess it's like how some people collect sneakers or watches. Everyone has their thing.
Exactly. Bags are my thing. And besides, they're practical too, different sizes for different needs.
True. I suppose one day I might end up with more than one, who knows?
We'll see. Maybe Mia will convert us into bag lovers eventually.
Challenge accepted.